Hello there! For those of you who don't know what this is a spray skirt or splash guard riser for a Story kayak. And when I first took the kayak out, that's right, it snapped. And the material itself is quite strong and flexible. However, it was out on a cold day, and actually when you look at the ends there, it does look like there might well have been a flaw in the fabric of the material that's caused this to actually snap when I've creased it to get it in and out of the holders on the spray skirt. Euroskateshop, where I bought this from, have refunded me £12 in order to source something else. And I was going to do that anyway because I actually wasn't happy with this as a piece of material. And what I wanted was something a bit thinner, a bit more flexible to try out. And I had in mind something like this. I figured this would do it. And what I figured was, if I use this as the center point, approximately, and created a template on there, and then cut one out, I think that'll work. And it does mean that I don't actually have to try and get rid of the ring binder aspect. So let's give this a go. So I think that's roughly halfway, thereabouts. If I'm trying to use the two center points in the folder as the guide. I'll just show you, I think you can see there is a slight overlap, but I don't see that would make much of a difference. So I'm just going to literally draw around that, cut it out, try it out. And there we have it, and I think that'll be strong enough. Plus it's already got the folds in it, so it should be easier to keep and store, and it's got a bit more pliability to it, and it should be strong enough just to create a bit of a riser on the spray skirt. Only thing to do now is try it out.